like those.
Oh yeah, the things that it shoots up and goes
Yeah.
takes a long time to go down.
I loved to go to Gilbert High School when I was a teenager and lay there on that.
Woo-hoo! Wait, my music kind of look.
Literally people on the top of us.
Fireworks are cool.
Oh, passersby going on the freeway. Keep watch too. I think that this is, yeah, this is, I don't know if this is southern or the half mile.
Fireworks. Woo! Oh, ooh, a cannon. So, woo-hoo! This is awesome. Hey, a hurricane. Huh. It's being sad over. Fireworks are always awesome. And those kids, they're sad they can't see the fireworks. Like over there in that van. That's nice. Whoa, truck. Yeah, that's okay. There's some up there.
There's another one. I think the blue and the red one was prettier.
Ooh. Man, I can hear it loud over here, even it's far. Whoa, that's bright. Oh man, there's a car in the ditch. Let's get some stuff there. Look at it, watch instead. Yeah, good. Oh! My hand's starting to hurt. But these ones are bigger than those other.
Those are just somebody shooting them off in their front yard. I think those are the kind that'll be legal next year, maybe. Passed a law here a couple months ago, making a lot of fireworks.
Ouch.
But it takes effect in
Kind of a nice place to see tons of fireworks. Yeah.
December 31st. It goes into effect. Sparklers are going legal.
Ouch.
And maybe not this one. I don't know. Some of the shooting ones aren't going to be.
Oh. I'm just kidding. Ooh, another tree. Firework. I'm just kidding.
Straight out. Yeah. Don't want to shoot now. It just keeps coming.
Man, there's some more. There's just more and more. I don't know how long this is going on.
What was that before?
Well, the time we were at Fountain Hills.
How can you tell when the gang's near the
Oh yeah. We were like.
The bigger they are, the more till they get to the end.
Those people are stuck in the ditch.
Oh.
See them.
I wonder how those people are gonna get out of the dish. Like they can get out, but how they're gonna get their car.
And see those big ones that go out like that, just the single rings, and they go out like that. It always makes me think of the '70s show. Eric like this? No. All of a sudden, boom, red video. Ooh. Star Wars.
The sand out of the truck. Ew, ew. Ooh. Man, it's hard to see. Ooh, that's loud, even from far away. I wonder how they sound. Maybe it'll hurt a lot if you're that close to it.
Pretty loud.
Yeah, the closer you get, the louder it gets.
Can it actually hurt your ears?
Yeah.
Ooh. That must be.
Your ears are sensitive.
It's gonna be fun and it's gonna be painful.
Whoa.
Ooh, they're shooting one at a time.
It's a rainbow.
There's no rainbow.
That means to spark these steps.
They're just going up and they're.
Then
What?
they fall down.
Well, you know, they're actually on wires. Like. Wait, they're actually on wires and stuff. Wait, no, those are. Did you guys saw that? Those are like some weird smoke from that, or there's some weird wires that just go up. But
there's all kinds of smoke.
man, that's a lot of smoke. It's hard to see from here because of the camera. Man, it's been on more than 7 minutes. It's been on for more than 7 minutes.
It's a long time, James.
Ooh, the shooting highway.
There's no way out, so it doesn't matter. There is, there's only one way out. It doesn't affect me at all.
More smoke is going up. Man, it hurts. Man, I can't see anything anymore.
They start out white and they turn pink.
They start out white?
The bottom?
The bottom, they're all white coming up, and then all of a sudden they turn pink.
No, they turn red.
Okay, fine.
Ooh, a hard one. Is that the last one? Owned.
That was one of the day.
Oh, that was it too.
That's from it though. Wait.
Nice.
They like those.
Cool.
Yeah, no. But I mean, a lot of times you don't see a whole lot of those.
Up close. Well, we might not have been able to see them from where we were always at. Because we couldn't see low.
True.
And I know they did shoot off stuff once. You could just barely see some
Yeah,
stuff.
we could see stuff coming up. That's true.
Because you don't, That's how it is. Barely did see anything.
Checking out the other kids.
You go first. Should we start checking? Want to race?
Is that the last one?
Nope. The ending usually has like tons coming out at once and going gone.